you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. Tell everybody what your name is.
So my name is Alfredo Duarte. 20 years old. This is my 1996 Honda Civic DK hatch. She has a full interior, case swapped, passport mounts, stock K20 A2. She is pushing 350 right now on an eBay turbo kit. I'm on 91. Stock internals. There's 750cc injectors, stock fuel pump. She has a bar in the back, S2000 seats, S2000 steering wheel. That's about it. Simple setup.
You want to pop the hood for us real quick?
For sure. Hood exit, of course. Yes, I have problems with my hood. It's already being burnt. This thing.
It's that power, bro. Nice. So, you said stock internals?
Stock internals, stock head, pistons, everything. Just slapped her in there. I did a hood exit just for some, because it's cool.
Damn right, it's cool.
She was running NOS on the previous setup.
Okay.
But that was before the turbo.
This manifold must be from the east side of the country.
Something like that. eBay wastegate, eBay blow-off valve, eBay fuel pressure regulator. I have my wet band set up, just not completed. I just have it for the exhaust to cover and not roll over all the engine bay. Yeah, man, simple.
So what's the story on the car? How long have you had it?
I've had it for like 3 years.
3 years? Has it? Did you
Four.
get it like this, or did you get it to this point?
I got it to this point. I had a previous setup was a V16 single cam turbo as well. The power it was making, she was pushing like probably like not even 100. It was like 98 with the turbo. VTEC didn't want to go off. A lot of issues, problem.
Let me shut this car off. Ugh. It's just sitting there idling.
Yeah, VTEC didn't want to go off. Had a lot of problems with it. And talked to my tuner about it. We could fix it, but I was about to spend the amount of money that I would do this swap. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Like if I would have fixed it, it'll be the same amount of money it'll cost me to
just do what you got right here.
Yes.
Make it run.
Exactly.
You know, get that thing going, get to the meets, hit up the boys, pop the flames.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
So what I did, I sold it. I got this, some Facebook friend. This engine has around 100,000 miles, which is gold. Just slapped her in there. Like I said, it's simple setup, stock K20. We had my tuner had a eBay turbo kit laying around, so I bought it off of him. And also one of our friends, he messaged me and he's like, hey, I have a trading for you. It's a 6-speed. It came off a 2016 SI. It'll fit. So
threw it in there. So who is your tuner?
My tuner is Gabriel Torres. He came from Puerto Rico. He was in the army. That's how he ended up here.
We all know those guys can work a Honda. You know what I'm saying?
I used to be, well, my entire life I've been a fanboy to Hondas, and I used to go to the local track that just recently closed up.
Yeah.
There was this RX-7 that I used to always watch, and that guy, I went up to him one day and he was like, hey, if you ever need something, just let me know. So I got my Honda.
And that was him, the guy that tuned it?
He recommended me to Gabby.
Okay, I see. I see.
They're like close friends, same Puerto Rican guys. Build up friendship.
Yep. Talk to him, let him know who you are. You gain a little bit of that. They gained a little bit of your trust,
yes,
which is what's necessary. But
I went to his house every Saturday or every weekend.
Okay.
Talked about my plans. Worked on my other single cam hatch. that's what just got me here.
So now when he tuned it, you said 350 horse. Did you all take it to a dyno?
Yes, it was on a Mustang dyno.
Who's the dyno in town, or where's that at?
So, Gabby,
or does he have one?
He has one.
Oh, for real?
Like I said, he's just brand new, underrated.
Yeah.
So I gave him a chance. He talked to me. He was like, "Hey, bring it by the shop." So we moved from his house to the shop. Dynoed it. It was 353 on 91. He talked to me and he was like, "Hey, you know what? I'm gonna leave it there because that's safe."
Yeah. That's more than safe for your engine.
And this is my first turbo hatch.
Right.
Or second, but with big power or decent power.
Just enough to cook the tires.
And he was like, "If you want more power, just let me know, and we could
we can go from there." Yeah.
Bigger injectors, E85.
Yeah. How long has it been in its current form?
It's been around 3 to 4 months.
3 or 4 months, no joke. So what are the plans for it? What's the next move? What's the next part?
So what I want to focus on right now is safety. I want to catch can. I want to complete my and finalize my wastegate. I mean wideband. I want to just simple safety things.
Maintenance stuff.
Yeah,
make it.
I'm currently trying to order these 500 rated.
The insane shafts. I saw you. I have those on the other hatch. I have insane shafts.
Okay. Are they holding up pretty
Yeah,
good?
dude. So I've had them for 2 years. I broke one 2 years ago. Got it shipped out. They got it shipped right back out to me. Had another issue again, and they got it fixed. The second time it just took a little bit longer because of the COVID, but they work.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some of those. Like I said, just regular maintenance, and then I'll go to bigger injectors.
Yeah, power. Just make it good at where it's at, dial it in, and then get to the next level.
I'm also gonna try and clean it up a bit, like unnecessary things.
Yeah,
like this
we
white
all are,
band.
bro.
The white one's supposed to go like nice and routed. All this, I want to try and tuck it in there. Yeah, that's it.
Still fucking cool.